As a busy mom, I'm always looking for tricks to save some time. Let me show you my new favorite way of making pancakes. To a blender, add rolled oats, dates, baking soda, baking powder, melted butter, eggs, and lastly, banana. Blend until you have a smooth consistency and then transfer the batter into a lined baking tray. And then spread out the batter. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. And add any topping of your choice. I'm using chia seed and sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees centigrade for around 20 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out dry. Once baked, remove from the heat, allow to cool, cut into slices and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, please let me know if you try out this recipe and of course the method. Give this a try and let me know. And until next time, remain blessed.